Hello everyone, welcome back. I am your friend and host Uttam Chaudhary, and you have started to watch my channel Excel to Excellence. Now, in the series of Excel Quick Bites, today we are going to talk about something called chart animation by categories. This is important word, by categories. So, what we are going to do is we are going to create the chart in Excel, obviously, but I'm going to show you a very different way how you can animate using your series and categories separately in PowerPoint. So this is something which is a new feature in Excel 2016 and beyond, where you can go and animate your chart using your different categories and series in based on which you have created your chart. But before we continue, do like and subscribe my channel. Do like my videos. Do send your comments and do not miss to press the notification button so that you as soon as I drop any video, you do not miss out anything. Thank you so much. Now, before we continue with the chart animation, let's understand this sheet a little bit. So in this sheet, what I've done is I have taken months from January till December, and we have the sales data for shoes, t-shirts, trousers, and track pants. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a suitable chart. So let me go and click on say recommended chart. Let me see what all charts are recommended. Okay, I am finding this one pretty useful for the purpose for which I'm showing this video. So let me create this chart here, right? So as I create this chart, you can see that we have, you know, the sales being shown here. We start from shoes, and then we have t-shirts, and then we have trousers, and then we have track pants shown by different uh, series, categories and series. Okay, so I have created this chart. Let me do some formatting here. So I would say let me create the chart title, and this chart title can be well, let me rename this as sales data. Okay, now this chart looks okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to actually copy this to this particular PowerPoint. And what I'm going to do is, if you see this, this is a blank slide, and I don't have to select the first option. No, it's not useful for me. Neither the second one doesn't work. You have to always look for the option which says use destination theme and link the data. You see, there's an attachment icon along with the paste icon. So use that one, and this is the one we are looking to kind of keep it here. Now this by design idea automatically pops up, and I'll kind of take the full screen really. Yeah. So if you look here, you have this chart now. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to animate this, but not in a usual way. So I'm going to make a small change here. Let me go and kind of clear the background here. Not liking it quite good. So let me go ahead and choose some animation. Let me select this, go to animation. Say if I select appear. Well, okay. Now the good part, which usually people do not forget to do and kind of in the presentations which you can actually take use of, you can go to something called effect option. Now in this, now the good part is when you paste it using the link, you start seeing these options. But if you normally paste it, these options are not available. You only can do is animate the entire graph together, entire chart in one go. You cannot animate by series. So if you take a look, I am animating it by series. See how it looks now. If I have to run this, yeah, let me open the animation pane. and see how it looks. So if I go ahead and do this, it is showing you just like, you know, in a go. It's not making quite good sense here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, animate by series. Yeah, okay. So if you look here, I have animated by series and it has actually gone and created all of this together. Yeah. So if I now go ahead and play, see what happens. You are able to animate by series, each of these series. Yeah, quite interesting. It wasn't the case earlier. You had to actually go ahead and animate the entire chart in one go, but now you have the capacity to animate by series, really. So let me go ahead and show you some more thing. You can animate by category. So say if you want to go by this way, yeah, right? So the useful part about this video, the message that I want to kind of convey through this video is that you can actually individually animate the data points, the chart created under each data point, so that you can show things as you want. So now, say for example, in this case, in case of let's say shoes, this particular one seems to be the highest sale in the month of May. You want to show this while you review that this is the one which is highest for me, and you would want to kind of highlight that. You can actually, mark it with say green here, yeah, and say in this case, this month seems to be good for t-shirt. You can kind of select this as well and make it fill by green. Now, in case of trousers, this is the highest sales month with the highest sales. You want to kind of highlight this one as well. And say, for example, your April is the month which is highest for track pants, and you want to show that, highlight that as well. Now, if you go ahead and play this, you are pretty much able to show that these are your key achievements. Or maybe you can kind of select this and say, hey, which is the one which belongs to you. You can actually find the real chart or the real series which is being animated here, and you might want to give a different animation to this. Yeah, so let me do it one more time, see how it looks in the full screen. So let me enter. See, now I can go ahead and kind of, this is coming through. Yeah, or in this case it is showing that it is all on mouse click. You might want to convert everything into, maybe, yet you might want to convert that uh, after previous. Yeah, you don't have to really wait for the mouse click. So as soon as I click the first one, it automatically comes through. Yeah, so you might have to play a little bit with the different categories here, but the idea which I wanted to show is that you can go, you know, category and series by series to do your animation, and kind of play around and create a separate view and look for the data point which you like to highlight during your review, so that people kind of give that focus and you can have a fruitful meeting. I hope this video was useful. Do let me know through your comments. Do like and subscribe my channel. Do click on the notification button so that as soon as I drop any new video, you do not miss out anything. Thank you so much.